828 Fine Adventure. Let's go change out the cabin air filter and the engine air filter on a Toyota Tundra. It's really easy to do. Anyone can do it. I'm going to show you how. Let's go check it out. So first thing you do is reach inside your glove box. Of course, it has been cleaned out. And you push up. I don't know if you can see this right here. You push up on that and it pops off. Here you have it. Then there's two other clips. You have one on each side, one over here. You pull those out. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but then you've got this off, and then there's your filter. You can see it has an arrow that tells you which side is up. Ooh, look at that. It almost looks like something's been chewing on that. That's a little weird. What do you think about that? Look at this. It's all mangled up. Maybe some bug got in there or something like that. I don't know, it's weird. Anyways, let's change it out. So here you go. You can see this side is up. Place it in there gently. Just slide it in. Then we have this piece. It also says up on it, so you know which way it goes. It just snaps in. Very sturdy. There seems to be a lot of little doors and compartments to go through to get in here, but then this piece, the last piece, it also has a up arrow on it. It's the most difficult with one hand. Let's see if we can get this. There we go. Got it. It's in there. Now I can put all my junk back. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little lesson on changing out your cabin air filter. Let's go ahead and do the engine air filter. That's also really easy. So I'll show you how to do that next. Oh my gosh. Gotta love those hood struts. So the first thing you do in the engine air filter is you find the clips on the side of the airbox. The airbox is this big square plastic thing. You undo both of those clips on the side and it'll just come right up and you can see the air filter inside. There might be leaves and garbage underneath it, but that's just stuff that blows in from the road. Hopefully there won't be any birds or animals in there. So, after you get it unclipped, you open it up and remove the old filter. I always inspect it, see what kind of grime my truck has been sucking in through the air intake. You know, bugs and all kinds of stuff, and that's what the filter's for. It stops all that stuff. So we took a trip, did a lot of traveling through farmland. We picked up a lot of bugs and a lot of other stuff. So, you know, at 5,000 miles, this is a good time to change it. So you get the new air filter. I always inspect it too. Make sure everything's squared away and I have the right one for the vehicle. And then I just place it in there just like I took the other one out. It should drop right in because one, this is a Toyota and they make this really easy. In the back of the airbox, the square black plastic thing you put the air filter into, there are these two little, they look like little hoops. And at the back of the airbox are these two square pieces of plastic that slide into those hoops. You just have to make sure that those go into those, and then you just clip the two clips, and that's it. The first time you do this, it might take you, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. The second time you replace the air filter, it'll take you about 60 seconds. It is so easy. You just make sure that those black plastic parts are in the hoops, and they pretty much slide in on their own. And then you clip those two metal clips on the side of the airbox, and you're done. Here I am pointing to those plastic hoops with that piece of plastic from the airbox that slides into them. If you don't get those in, it's not going to really close easy and you'll struggle with it, so you might want to just check and make sure you have those in. But pretty much that's it. It's really easy. Really easy. Anyone can do it. Well, I hope you liked that video of me showing you how to change out the air filters in the cabin and in the engine bay. They're really easy to do. Anyone can do it. I'll write some steps down and have them under the video in the description, along with some links to those filters. I go with the Toyota OEM filters. The reason being, I have tried some aftermarket ones and they just don't seem to fit perfect. And I would just rather be safe and go with the Toyota brand. But if you know of one that's, aftermarket, let me know in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. I've got more videos coming on the Tundra and camping and all kinds of other things. So stay tuned and I will see you there. See ya.